This is how to create a project in Ravelry for a testnet. So on the top right here, you'll find the My Notebook button, and we're going to go ahead and click that. This will take us to our projects page where if you put projects on Ravelry, this is where they will all be. And then in blue, there's this Add a Project button on the left. We're going to go ahead and click that. And so you can put the information in here, and you can put whatever you'd like here, the name of the pattern, for you to remember which one it is. And then in the pattern name, so normally if you have a pattern that's already in Ravelry, then you would put the pattern here and it would find it. For testnets, the pattern isn't in Ravelry yet. It's in the testing process and it hasn't been officially published. And so your designer will give you a code. They generally look something like this. So in this case, you're going to copy and paste or type the test code that was given to you by your designer into the pattern name spot, and then you're going to click the continue button. So you'll get to the test page. Here you can put in all your information, your yarn, add your photos, that sort of thing. And once the pattern is officially published, it will then be linked to the pattern since it has that code in it. So the designer on their end in Ravelry can see your username and that you've made a project and that it's connected, but it won't officially connect to the pattern until that pattern is published. Then when you go to the pattern page, you'll see your project there. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I hope this helps.